Hi, hello, namaskara elrigo. So I'm back with another video, and today I will let you all guessing the place where I'm visiting, but I'll keep giving the hints. Okay, so I'm going to visit one of the oldest towns of Karnataka. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಅತಿ ಹಳೆಯ ನಗರ ಅಂತ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. Just about 22 kilometers from Sirsi. So it happens that if I have to talk about a little bit history of this place. Careful. This is a very dangerous thing what happens on these smaller roads, right? You got to be very careful. Ride with good pace, but not the dangerous pace. Be very careful, be very vigilant, and ride safe always, right? So coming back to what I was talking, this place is known as the oldest town of Karnataka, ruled by the people who made Kannada as the official language of the state, right? So Kannadana official language of the state anta ಮಾಡಿದ ಡೈನೆಸ್ಟಿ ಅವರು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಜಾಗ. ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. So I'm talking about Kadambas, going back in the days of 345 AD, 350 AD, like that, right? So for solid about 200 years ಅವರು ರೂಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Kadamba dynasty was ruling. After Kadamba dynasty, this place was also ruled by Rashtrakutas, Chalukyas. I think Vijayanagara dynasty also ruled Madidru, and so the Arasru ruled Madidru, and things like that. The history goes on. Very beautiful place, very beautiful place. There's a temple. This place is surrounded by Varada river. Varada nadi ಮೂರು ಕಡೆಯಿಂದನೂ ಸುತ್ತುವರೆದಿರುವಂಥ ಜಾಗ. Whole town now. Before it used to be might be a big town, but not so big town right now, but very beautiful place, right? So in the midst of forest, super nice ride or drive, whatever you call it as. To be very frank, there are like uncountable number of places around Sirsi that you can visit. This not has become tourism prone place, so probably that is the reason many of the people who are yet to be aware of this all of these places. You name the waterfalls, you name the dams, you name the ancient places like this, many more, right? See the old grandmother. This is a very common sight in and around this place. Bike is the primary mode of transport to a lot of people. It is because mainly of the usability of the connectivity to their house from bike is better than the four-wheelers. It's easy to commute, that's the reason. You will see a lot of aged people also sitting around. They're used to it. While you are enjoying this video or the views of Gulmohar trees, if you're liking this content that I'm creating, please do support in the means of subscription and the comments and likes that you show to the videos. It motivates me to create more content for you, and yeah. So many of you don't know, this is the epic bike of Bajaj M80. ಸಾಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅರೆ ಹುಯ್ ಅರೆ ಹುಯ್. So yeah, this is the town. There is a museum also. I don't know whether it is open for public or not. So in the museum they've extracted all the shila shasanagalneಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದನ್ನು they've preserved it. So the oldest copper coin that was traded by the Kadamba people is also been preserved. Many things. Like I had visited the museum also, but I don't know whether it is open for public or not. I will see if I can go. Sri Madhukeshwara Devasthana Kedari. That's where I'm heading. Banavasi Rathotsava is very famous around. See, this is called Ratha Bidi, and at the end of it there is a temple. Just behind these houses that you see, I mean hardly about 50-60 meters away, the Varada river is there. Just behind. I don't think so we will be able to see that, but I'll try to show it to you. Yeah. See, this is the right in front of you. This is the Teru or Ratha of Banavasi. It was very famous. This was see, this is one more. This is the old one. This is a flower chariot. When there is a jatre happening, so they'll decorate this chariot with the flowers, and there'll be Rathotsava. ಭಕ್ತರು ನೀಡಿದ ದೇಣಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಅನುದಾನದಿಂದ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಗೊಂಡ ನೂತನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ತೇರನ್ನು ದಿನಾಂಕ 30/11/2023 ಶ್ರೀ ಮಧುಕೇಶ್ವರ ದೇವರ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕ ರಥೋತ್ಸವಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ರಥೋತ್ಸವ ಚೈತ್ರ ಮಾಸದ ಮಾಘ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರದ ದಿನದಂದು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತದೆ. So if you want to visit, follow the Indian calendar. The month of Chaitra, Magha Nakshatra, that is when the chariot will be decorated with all the glory and Rathotsava will happen. Right off the GoPro onto the camera. When this chariot was being donated to the temple by Sonda Sri Ramachandra Nayaka. So welcome to Uma Madhukeshwara Temple, Banavasi. This stone is burning because of the heat. History of Madhukeshwara Temple, Banavasi is written here. Just putting both Kannada and English. Pause it and please do watch it. This is what I was talking about. All these ancient sculptures with Shilasha Shasanas, they've kept it here. It's not open for public, but you can see it from outside. ಸೊ ವರದಾ ನದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ರಿವರ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ಮರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್. I think we can see the banks. This is the view around. The bike was standing right in front of the temple and it was standing right in the sun, so you can I think you can feel where I'm getting baked from. Oh, it's so hot. Okay, so nevertheless I hope you enjoyed this small little video about the ancient town of Karnataka, the place where Kannada has got its prominence, as the history says, right? So if you liked it, please do like this video, please do subscribe to channel if you're watching it for the first time. Thank you so much for giving your time. End of the day, I'm trying to be myself. I'm trying to do the things what I love to do. I hope you all will be doing one of the things that you're loving to do. If you are not, I hope you will continue, or you will start, at least take a first step, and you will start loving yourself, being yourself. See you all, take care, bye bye, catch you up in the next one. Ta-ta.